The next thing I'm going to show you is how to cash out from your Trust wallet, which is going to mean sending a cryptocurrency that you hold in Trust back over to your exchange. That way you could sell it over there and then potentially cash out for US dollar heading back to your bank account. So what we're going to do is take some of that BNB that we sent over and we're actually going to send it back to my Crypto.com wallet. That way you're familiar with both sides of the transaction. Within the Crypto.com app, we're going to click on Accounts, and then we're going to click here on Crypto Wallet. And at this point, we can now select BNB from the list. And this time, once again, we're going to click on Transfer, but we're going to now click on the Deposit button. And then you have to select the network. So in this case, it's the only one, it's BSC. And now what we want to do here is copy our wallet address. At this point, the rest of the transaction is going to take place here in the Trust wallet. So we're going to click here on our BNB balance. And now we want to click on the Send button. And this is where we are going to paste in the wallet address that we just copied. So we can click here on the Paste button and click on Allow Paste. And now we have to choose the amount. In this case, we're going to send all of it over. So keep in mind, we wouldn't leave you with any extra there for any gas fees if you wanted to then do something with your tether that you had in the account. So you might not want to send all of it yourself, but just for this demo, that's what I'm going to do here. So we're going to click on the max button at this point, which is going to be $34.45, and then we're going to click on Next. At this point, it's going to tell us the network fee here. It's going to be roughly 1 cent worth of BNB. So that's an example here of those gas fees that you have to pay anytime that you are doing a swap or a transfer of cryptocurrencies. So in this case, if everything looks good, you're going to click on the Confirm button, and now the transaction is processing. If we click here on Transaction Details, we can see lightning fast it went from pending to completed. So if we click here on the back button and now return to our home page, we can see that we only have the USDT, the Tether coin that we swapped in our wallet, and the BNB is now gone. If we go back over to Crypto.com, and then we have a notification here that we have a pending deposit of the BNB. So it has now been received by Crypto.com. It might not be reflecting in my balance just yet, but they did confirm receipt, and there might be a way to prove the transaction here. Yeah, at the bottom here, we can see this pending transaction here for a deposit of BNB, and it's the same amount that we sent over from the Trust wallet. Now, if you were looking to send money back to your bank account, you would have to then sell your cryptocurrency for US dollar, and I'm going to show you how to do that using the Chronos token at this point. So if we click on that top result here, there's $67 roughly worth of that token, but if we click on Sell CRO, and then we can have the option here on the left of selling it for cash and it going to the USD wallet, which currently has 30 cents. If we click on the max button, it's going to sell off $65.41 for us. So we can click on Sell at the bottom, and then we're going to click on Confirm. And just like that, we sold off our CRO balance. Now, at the same time here, I did see the BNB transaction settled. So we could also sell off that balance, and we can see now that's up to $60 where it was at 25 or so before. And just like that, we've also sold the BNB that we had started off with and sent over. Now we sent it back. So if we click on the back button now, you can see I only have a very small balance of CRO, but I do have a fiat wallet balance of 124.64, and this is the dollar amount that I could now transfer off to my bank account if I wanted to fully cash out and get back to US dollars heading to my bank account.